The best among always the noble part. Aryan truths among truths. The share among beings. Dhammapad 273. The best among always the noble part. Aryan truths among truths. The share among beings. Dhammapad 273. Of all parts, the eightfold part is the greatest. Of the truths, the greatest are four noble truths. Detachment, that is Nibbana, is the greatest among all states. And of all those who are two-folded ones, one who possesses eyes, the Buddha is the greatest. Of parts, the eightfold based. Of truth, the statements four. The passionless of teachings based. Of humankind, the share. Dhammapad 273. Mogganot thangika sattha pachanong satturo pada. Virago sattha dhammanong di padanansa sakkhuma. Dhammapad 273.